Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel. So you're gonna see that what we have previous week has been discussed. You can see here guys, exactly I have told you this will be the acting as supporting area. Exactly it has been taken support somewhere here also you have buy and kept your SL at this position. You can see that exactly just slightly only it is touching, not touched, and boom, one-sided momentum. You can see that our first target reached, second target reached. Somewhere here only I have told you it will act as a resistance. I will just shift this so you can get the clear idea. You can see here exactly taken resistance. If you have not taken this trade, you can see here exactly taken resistance. You have kept your SL at this point. Okay, yes, at this point also, then you can see that one-sided momentum has been came. You can see up till here within 1 hour, so you have get very huge profit guys. Hope you have tracked down this. Okay, yes, we can see natural gas also. In natural gas also we have discussed that exactly from here only it will be reversible. Also in learning video I have told you all time high whichever if open gap up, then that supporting area will act as one of the major supporting area. You can see that exactly this area is acted as a supporting area. Our first target reached, second target, third target, up till third target reached. After that only you can see that up till here has been gone. But what happened is that this is the selling zone. That's why I have told you up till here only you have to take. After that only you can see that within 1 hour it came downside up till here. So that's why I have told you somewhere here also you have buyed a put or something at this candle and kept at a very small quantity. So hope you have taken somewhere here only short position also guys. Hope you have taken very nice trade, because you can see here exactly from here only it's turning around once again. So hope you like this video guys. Also you can see here guys, because of I have not done any editing, you can check out the analysis video also I have uploaded, so you can check out there too. I will just shift this. Okay guys, so you can see here guys what happened is that I have told you exactly from here only it will be reversible. Exactly happened that from here only or here also you have taken any position and you have kept your SL at this position or this position, one-sided momentum has been came. Okay guys, we can also see in next is that our gold analysis. I have told you exactly guys, in gold analysis here only it will going to consolidate this trend line I have made it. Okay guys, if you haven't taken this, okay guys, this is the fake breakout down has been happening, so no worries about it. What happened is that, so you can see here guys, if you have not seen this thing also, you have to just make a trend line. Also I have made a trend line pattern how to you have to learn. I have uploaded, go and check out. Exactly here only taking support, you have to take your here only the position and your SL will be the very small up till here only. You can say that our first target reached, second target, till third target also reached, just second only it doesn't reach. You can see that. So we gonna see the next week how it goes. So now we gonna see the where the this time commodity gonna work and how you gonna trade the commodity. Okay guys, you can see here guys, I will just shift this. Okay guys, right now you can see that this is the one of the major supporting areas. Right now it is become very weak guys, so I will tell you the reason is that first time, second time, three time it has been tested. So right now this time it will came downside, then you can expect your first target, second, and you can go for your fourth target up till here. Okay guys, first, second, and third target. Okay guys, you can go for up till here. Okay guys, here only one reversible came, so book your whole profit at second only. At 70% you have to book, other 30% you can book up till here only. Okay guys, if it will once again consolidate and going upside, your first target will be somewhere here, second target, and if once again it goes, then you can expect third and fourth target too. Okay guys, this is the for a crude oil. We can see for natural gas already I have told you, if this time it will came downside and take resistance, you can expect your exactly first, second, third and fourth target. At second target only you have to book your full quantity, because here also one reversible also came, so you have to pretend that. Also here also one of the major supporting areas it will act, so just a little bit take a small risk only, do not take a bigger risk in here too guys. If once again it will take a support somewhere here and it crosses at this level, then you can expect your first target will be your second target and up till third target. Okay guys, this is for a natural gas. Okay guys, we can see for a gold. You can see here in gold, you can observe that this is the one of the major resistance area it will acting right now. So what we have to do is that if once again it's coming downside, your first target somewhere here, second, this will be the third and fourth target is. Okay, if it is broken and continuously consider take support, your first target will be somewhere here, second, and this will be the final third target, guys. Okay, guys, you can go for further also up till here, fourth target, guys, but I will tell you that up till here only 1800 you have to full book your full quantity only, so it will be the better price. Okay, guys, hope you like this video, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel, guys. I will post it daily some of the videos, and also I have posted the knowledgeable videos. Also go and check out there, you can get the very nice videos, guys. If you have any queries, please comment me down, so I will know that the something you are getting facing a problem, so I will just solve that too, guys. Okay, guys, hope you like this video, guys. Thank you so much.